Good morning, students. So, today we'll start with unit number 2 and activity 5. Yes. We'll read the story once and mark all the hard words which you have to write in the notebook. So, after I read the story, you have to read it again with me, okay? One day, walking in the garden with Birbal and other courtiers, Emperor Akbar bent to pick up a sharp stone. With it, he drew a line on the ground and said, Birbal, make the line shorter. He paused with a glint of mischief in his eyes. He said, but don't touch it. Just make it shorter. The courtiers looked at each other. Birbal surely could not do this. Could he? Perhaps he would finally be outwitted. But Birbal calmly bent down to pick up another stone. He quietly drew a second line below Akbar's. Everyone looked at the two lines. Akbar's line was clearly shorter than Birbal's. Now, can you see the first line was drawn by Akbar and the second line was drawn by Birbal. Okay, so the line drawn by Birbal is clearly bigger than the line drawn by Akbar. There was a brief silence. Then Akbar smiled. I thought I had outsmarted you this time, but you've done it again. Now, as we all know, Akbar and Birbal's stories are completely full of all the riddles. Okay, there are riddles asked by people, courtiers, and Akbar and Birbal was a very smart person who used to solve all the riddles on his own. So, did you understand the story? Now, come on, let's mark all the hard words which you have to write in the notebook. One day, walking in the garden with Birbal and other courtiers. These hard words are for you to remember the spellings. Courtiers means people who work in his court, people who are present in his court, other darbaris, yes. Emperor means king. Bent to pick up a sharp stone. With it, he drew a line on the ground and said, Birbal, make the line shorter. He paused and with a glint of mischief, glint and mischief in his eyes, he said, but don't touch it. Just make it shorter. The courtiers looked at each other. Birbal surely could not do this. Perhaps he would finally be outwitted. We've done outwitted in activity number 1 also. Still you have to write it. But Birbal calmly bent down. Calmly means very calm. He bent down to pick up another stone. He quietly drew a second line below Akbar's. Okay. Everyone looked at the two lines and Akbar's line was clearly shorter than Birbal. There was a brief silence. Then Akbar smiled. Okay. These are the hard words for this chapter. You have to write it and learn the spellings. Clear? Now let's move ahead. Now let's come to activity number 6. Birbal did not make the line shorter than it was when Akbar first drew it. But he made Akbar's line shorter than his line. Akbar's line cannot be said to be short. It can only be longer or shorter than another line. If you cannot touch a line, how can you make a line shorter? So you have to draw a longer line than it. So, correct? Short is not an absolute concept. Absolute means something we cannot define short. Can you define short? Short मतलब इतना भी हो सकता है, इतना भी हो सकता है, इतना भी हो सकता है. Absolute means one thing which can be defined. Okay, which is perfectly clear that this means short. It is a relative concept. Relative means when we relate two things, then we understand which one is short. As if I draw a line like this, can you say is it long or short? No, you cannot say. But if I draw a line like this, you can say that this line is shorter. But if I draw a line first like this and a line second like this, you will say that the first line is longer. So when we relate two things, we come to know whether the thing is short or long. So short and long is not an absolute concept, it's a relative concept. Akbar's line is shorter relative to Birbal's line. As we think about puzzles and problems, we want to be sure that our assumptions are correct. Assumptions means something which we think. We assume that this is correct. We also want to remember that many things cannot be described in absolute terms. They can only be described in relative terms, like short and long, big and small. Again, big and small is a relative concept. This line is big or small? It is bigger to this line, but it is smaller than this line, correct? So it's a relative concept. A rich man may think a dosa is very cheap, but a poor man will think a dosa is very costly. So cost is also a relative concept. So this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.